Meanwhile, while Gary's working on his car, I'm gonna show you guys how to take care of rust spots. I'm gonna start sanding this down. Yeah, definitely needs to be painted before the winter comes, before it gets even worse. Sand that down. Should go deeper. Should go deeper, deeper, deeper. Bare metal. Alright, we got the body filler. Ooh. Pretty good mixture already. See. So the Bondo is pretty much hardened up right now. Just gonna start sanding it and make it flush with the body panel. I have a 320 grit sandpaper. The front here is absolutely smooth. It's really flat and the rust is not there. I'm happy. Alright guys, finally got the primer on, sanded, ready for a base coat. I got the base coat from AutomotiveTouchUp. You just give them the color code and they make the brake hand. Mine's a 3-stage color, so this is a step 1, the ground coat, and the mid coat, which should be the pearl. Alright, first layer of the base coat. I'm gonna put on my mask. Safety first. Very important, you don't want to nail this stuff. That's the first coat. Give it a few minutes. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Alright, now for the second coat. That's not too bad. Once I put on the mid coat and then the clear coat. 2 coats, you still see a little bit of primer, but after the third coat, it should cover up most of them. As far as the color match, it's surprisingly pretty close. Guys, this or the rust? You tell me. I prefer this. Even though it's not fully finished, I'm very happy with the outcome. I saved myself at least $1,000 from painting this because this is a 3-stage pearl and they're gonna charge you at least $1,000 for all these 3 panels, at least. What are you doing, guys? I'm filling up all these little rock chips with a toothpick, and I sprayed a little bit of the base coat on this sandpaper, so I'm just using toothpick to dab on the little holes. Sorry guys, the battery died on me, but it's late at night right now. Final clear was put on. For the clear coat, I used the 2K clear from Spray Max. As you can see, the results came out great. The paint match is about 90%. I was very concerned about being it's a 3-stage paint, but take a look guys. Damn son, look at that gloss! So shiny! I also clear coated my headlights. Put about 2-3 coats on there. Looking fresh. I also painted the housing black, which I'll show you guys in the future videos. Alright, so we're on our way to grab dinner right now. It's been a long day. I have Gary on the other line. What up, what up? Thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. Like Matt said, we're going out. Thank you guys for all the support and love out there. We're trying to get some more contents out for you guys, so drop a comment below and let us know what you want us to do to our cars next.
And always, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.